Next topic is polyline, polygon, and rectangles. So polyline is a bit complex compared to a single line that we have learned before. A single polyline can be composed of a number of straight line and arc segment. Okay, kalau tengok kat sini, this is a combination of a single line, straight line, or arc segment. Okay, so polyline also can be given in certain width. Okay, untuk nampak dia appear solid lah. Okay, ni boleh tambah dia punya width. This is example of polyline. Okay, so why polylines are so useful? Why tak guna ordinary line saja? Okay, because polyline ni more complex compared to single line. Polyline use up more disk space than the equivalent line. Sebab tu walaupun dia senang, tapi dia memerlukan more disk space. Okay, so it is desirable to keep file sizes as small as possible. Okay, so it is a good idea to use lines rather than polylines, unless if you have a particular requirement. So sometimes it is easier to work with polylines for certain tasks, and sometimes line yang biasa tu is the best. Depends on your requirement. So now look at the polyline command. Okay, so dekat draw toolbar tu you akan nampak polyline, so you can choose this one, ataupun you can use command Pline. Okay, shortcut dia PL. Okay, so Pline, specify start point. Okay, so kalau kita tak letakkan width dia, so dia akan default as 0. So example polyline. Okay, so type command dia Pline. Okay, so follow all the steps. Pick P1 with the 0. So kalau kita tak letak apa-apa width, so 0 default. So specify next point. Pick P2, P3, P4, P5, and then enter C to close. Okay, so this is open polyline. Then close polyline. The next one is explode. What is explode? So you can convert polylines and you buat one by one tadi, P1, P2 sampai P4 tadi. And also arcs back to lines and arcs using explode commands. So, kalau nak pecahkan apa yang you dah buat bentuk tadi, you can type command explode, so dia akan jadi single line. Okay, dia akan pecahkan balik. Okay, next example number 2, polyline involving subcommand arc. Okay, yang tadi hanya garis straight saja. So kalau kita nak tambahkan subcommand arc, use if you wanted to create an arc from the last point of the open polygon you created. Okay, connecting it to the first point. First, create an open four-sided polygon. Then you type Pline in the command prompt and create an open polygon. Okay, so dia akan jadi macam ni, open polygon. Untuk tambahkan arc, okay, specify next point or arc. Okay, tambahkan A ataupun ARC and then press enter. So once you press enter, the elastic arc will appear, which you can stretch until the end point of the arc reach the first point to connect. Okay, so this time you can use O snap. Okay, remember O snap just to simplify the sample drawing. So kalau you tekan O snap, dia akan terus ke the line yang kita nak tutup tu. Okay, dia akan lock kat situ. So select endpoint and drag your cursor to the first point and click your left mouse button. And then press enter to terminate the command loop. Okay, so try. And then example number 3, polyline involving subcommand closed. So just like our previous encounter with the close command, the close option under Polyline works the same way. Okay, so dia akan automatically enclose an open polygon created by the Polyline ataupun P-line command. Okay. To demonstrate, first create a series of lines. Draw 3 sides of a polygon to create a 4-sided polygon, but don't close the polygon yet. To create the line, type P-line in the command prompt and then create the open polygon. Okay, and then specify next point, you type close. Okay, ataupun shortcut dia C. And then line will be created connecting the last line you made to the first point to close the polygon. Okay, so you type C tu, dia akan automatically tutup polygon. And then next, example number 4, polyline involving subcommand width. So this command enable you to specify the width of the line and can be made with a tapered shape. So to set the width, type PL on the command prompt and press enter. And then click your cursor on the black drafting screen untuk, contohnya untuk making a line. Okay, then when AutoCAD prompt you dengan this specify next point, so you type width. Okay, sebab ada banyak ni kan, so you type width ataupun dia punya shortcut dia W and then press enter. So bila you type W, dia akan appear berapa value yang you nak letak. Okay, so this is to specify the width of the starting point of the line. So for example, you type 10 and press enter. So you akan nampak width dia akan different lah. Okay, and then again it will prompt you again dengan specify ending width, which is asking you to specify the width of the end line. So tadi starting line 10. So untuk end line tu type 60 and then press enter. Now you can see a stretching tapered polyline. Okay, and then click your cursor on the desired place on the screen to create the line. Okay, starting dengan end point. So tadi 10 and dia 60. So this is how it looks like. The next, example number 5, polyline involving subcommand length. So this is to specify the exact length of the polyline instead of dragging the cursor on the screen and clicking wherever you want. So this is the same as above example. So type PL on the command and then click enter and click your first point on the screen. Pilih je kat mana-mana. So when the prompt shows up, type L, then press enter again. Specify the length you wish to create. So that's it. Example number 6, polyline involving subcommand undo. Okay, so this command is used to undo the polylines while you are in the process of drawing a polylines in case you made a mistake. So macam mana nak undo dia? So when the P lines are drawn, they are usually filled by default. So to remove this field color, the fill command can be turned off. Okay, so commander fill, tekan enter, and then off enter, and then for regenerate, type RE, and then enter. So the screen will regenerate the P lines to be unfilled. Okay, so try this one juga. P edit command, so polyline can be edited after they are created. For example, untuk change width, okay, so you nak edit balik, you can do this by using P edit command. Okay, pergi ke modify, object, polyline from the pull down menu. Okay, you can draw your object using lines and arcs and convert to polyline using polyline edit command. Then you can convert polylines and polyarcs back to lines and arcs using explode. Okay, remember explode tadi untuk pecahkan balik polylines untuk jadi single lines. Okay, so by following this command. Okay, p-edit, select polyline or M, okay, multiple, select object, okay, specify opposite corner, okay, and then follow up until yang kat bawah ni. Okay, 5 segment added to polyline. Okay, next in the next video.